May bago sa Antipolo. Nandito tayo ngayon along M. Santos Extension, Hinapaw, San Jose, Antipolo, Rizal. Ang ganda ng location ng project na to. Kasi in 5 to 10 minutes drive, nandun ka na kagad sa Robinsons Mall or Antipolo Cathedral. Pero kung gusto mo mag-tricycle or mag-jeep, pwede rin, accessible pa rin yung project na to. If first time home buyer ka or newlyweds na naghahanap ng starter home, bagay sa'yo yung project na to kasi kita mo naman, land development pa lang, meaning hinuhukay pa lang yung kalsada sa drainage system. So if you want to get a property at its lowest price, this is the perfect time to buy. Pre-selling pa lang yung project na to, and as of making this video, ang projected price for 2 bedrooms is 3.9 and for 3 bedrooms naman is 6 million and up. If you want more info about this project, scan mo lang yung QR code at the end of this video. But if you want to see it in person as well as other options na available for you in Antipolo at this price range, we would be happy to assist you. So halika, tripping tayo.